Ingenuity in China. Smart makes beauty. Legendary foresight. Carrying the might. Wintec Stainless Steel Limited is located in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. We are a comprehensive stainless steel enterprise, integrating R&D, production, processing, sales, and foreign trade. Our goal is to create high-quality, low-cost, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly stainless steel and new energy products, and strive to provide convenient, comfortable, and healthy life for the world. We have 4 major factories, 2 large warehouses, more than 100 production lines, 10,000 tons of inventory, and covering an area of more than 60,000 square meters. Wintec Stainless Steel Limited have all kinds of stainless steel pipes and plates, deep processing, rich products. We can provide 304-316-2205, S3-2001, Duplex Steel Series, and Special Steel Series. We can provide a variety of processing solutions, such as high power shear, laser cutting, equipment processing, etc. Wintec Stainless Steel Limited is committed to providing high-end customized services for all kinds of users around the world, providing customers with practical and comprehensive solutions. After continuous exploration and upgrading, the steel grades developed by us have been fully matured for use in hot and cold-rolled stainless steel coils, plates, pipes, and processed products. This product has the characteristics of high corrosion resistance, wear resistance, polishability, and high-cost performance. We have widely used it in construction, transportation, petrochemical, marine, and environmental protection engineering, decorative building materials, new energy, photovoltaic, and other fields, replacing the traditional 3 or 4 application scenarios in a wide range. It has greatly improved our competitive advantage in the market. We do our best to create more value. Let the world see our achievements. This is what drives us forward, the future of the stainless steel. Hello, this is Wintec Stainless Steel.